Alright y'all, it's time for the fun part. The last one, pull out the tub, put a new drain, new overflow, and finished out the plumbing. Everything came out pretty plumb on that. And here we got our laser level shimmed up a little bit with some go board and cardboard to get the right height. And that's the mark I was shooting for. And when I got that mark, I copied it all the way around the tub surround. And you see we already got all the go board up, everything waterproofed. On these, just around windows, just make sure you concentrate really heavy on the corners. This is usually the spot where it's gonna leak the most. And the reason I'm starting at this mark is from this mark up to the windowsill where this go board's loose, to the top of this go board is 27 3/4 inches. You see here we got a rough layout of the tiles we're using and 1/8 inch spacers all pushed together. And here's a little chart. Each tile is 9 1/4 wide, 47 1/4 long. 3 tiles with spacers is 27 3/4, and that's how we got that mark, our starting mark. The next step, I'm gonna screw on some 1x4, and that's gonna be the ledger board, and it should build us up right to this go board. I like to have everything to go. The cutter set up, knee pads, a couple of tools we're gonna use, wedges, 1/8 clips, spare tile, buckets full of water, bucket for the mixer, and we're gonna be using Pro Light Gray.
In the mist I sigh, close call, it's the gist of my life. You were looking down, yeah, you missed your chance, try and get me now. Wanna whisper, guys, visit me cause I kept them nice. Healthiest around, guaranteed unstained, have a look around. I'm a fool who made a mess. One misjudgment, I should've known, done it on my own. Bring the rookie on and the lookout song. All in all, you won, we're paralogous. Come on, be honest. Feels like I'm losing it all again. Seems I will never be whole, pretend. You see a side of me that I wanna hide here tonight. Freeze, hold the living inside your head. Please don't put me to rest. Dishonest, go make your profit. Coughing up my pride. Hope it sticks and omits your insides. You don't need them now. Betray every ethic you announce. Don't you touch my hands. Don't you ever forget that you're alone. When you come undone, you will be alone. You'll be disowned now. On and on, we're paralogous. Come on, be honest. There is fog in our story you're on. I wanna roll with you, make it a fight in the sun. Who will survive and who will be gone? You can yell and cry, but I will move on. Feels like I'm losing it all again. Seems I will never be whole, pretend. You see a side of me that I wanna hide here tonight. Freeze, hold the living inside your head. Please don't put me to rest. Dishonest, go make your profit. There's a chase in my heels, I breathe, made me lose my breath. I can leave her. You'll be here tomorrow, hold the watch for me. That's how I can tell that you care. Are you scared? Are you regretting all your time spent on me, helping me come through like you do, like you do? I've never gotten the dream. Wait, are you talking to me? I've waited so long to be seen. You've been here all night, don't leave me behind. Took you when you hide, you'll always be mine. Stay by my side, you will be caught in the dream. Seen you before. Stay by my side. And I know she's gotta go.